Hello, I'm Henning, and I'm so happy to present a fresh and practical way to learn and master Microsoft projects. Have you ever opened project and thought, where should I begin? Well, this is exactly the right place to start. I will help you plan, manage, and succeed using Microsoft Project. Signing up for this class, you get 20 practical 4K video lessons. Each one clear, focused, and naturally free from ads or distractions. The tutorials walk you through the program step by step using real-world examples. Along the way, you pick up valuable tips, tricks, and insights, including project management methodologies inspired by frameworks like Prince2. This course is divided into 5 structured modules, and each module comes with PDFs and exercises so you can review and practice at your own pace. Between the modules, you get live coaching sessions, real-time guidance with me or another experienced mentor. We'll discuss the lessons, answer your questions, and help you apply what you learned. Ready to get started? Let's go!